Hello and welcome one more time to our channel. My name is Luis Rivera and you are coming to Design by Riveras. And this is Fabio, my big little boy, the boss of the house. On today's video, we are being reviewing one of the products I more like to work with mature skin, but no matter what skin, I love to work with this product, and this brand in specific is Laura Mercier. I hope you enjoy the next video. On this video, this new look we are creating and this full transformation, we're going to be like a guest, our dear Eleonora, who is a professional dancer and she is an amazing artist. And we have the grateful and honor to have her in our share. She is based on New York. If you want to contact her, here in the top will be all her information. Before you continue with this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and send us love. Remember, with more like you give us, more high we go to be on the YouTube suggestions. Now, here you can see we start with the application of the foundation, and I use with this product, I do the combination, a small, very light layer with brush foundation, and then I continue with the beauty blender because that make me create a more dewy and set up look to can full cover all the surface of the skin of my customer. Okay, here it is our setting look. What I can say is always this product impress me every time more and more. I'm sorry, maybe here I will be a little unbiased because I already know how this product works and I enjoy work with this product because no matter what is the type of skin you have or the type of hyperpigmentation or small wrinkles or deep wrinkles, always make me create a beautiful look, skin healthy, dewy, and the more I like is the skin and this kind of makeup when I create with this foundation never look heavy. Let's go right now to the rating. Then let's start of course with application, and application with this foundation is one of the more beautiful things you will enjoy to do more than whatever other product, not only because you will see fast the cover and how your skin is looking is when this foundation start creating the oxidation with your skin, you start watching not only the reaction on the skin and start creating this like a dewy semi-matte, then your skin start coming like a velvet. I love this foundation application side. For that reason, I will give to this foundation 9.5 of 10. Setting. What I can say, I love my work doing stuff with the stuff I love, and this product is not one of the list. And I will say for setting, I will give 10 of 10 because she don't only look fresh and glowy, she look young, and you can see even if she still can show her age, she look pretty and the way the makeup set out on her skin. Then I will give 10 of 10. Coverage, my friend, they offer to you and their website full cover, and is definitely a full cover. Is not a lie. You with the first layer, you can cover complete whatever hyperpigmentation you have. Flawless, of course, look at that, look this skin. Yes, she looks so flawless at the end of the look. We did a photo shoot after this, we did almost an hour and a half session after, and I did a little of her hair, only retouched some of the waves, she already have it, and she looked amazing. I think the look graceful, the look will be perfect for the rest of the day. And more important is exactly what I tell you all time. I like to to see in my work, and especially in the skin of my customer, what the brand promised me and their description. Then, for example, this foundation, they say, and their type of skin is for normal, combination, and oily skin. It's very specific. I love that. That for one side. For the other side, they say is matte finish, which is true. But if you know how to work it, you can make look that matte is why you done having this like a velvet effect and not really dry, because some matte foundation, when it's matte, can start looking a little cracky in the skin, and especially when past more than 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and then if the look is not only for picture, then a longwear will be tough. Remember I told you that about longwear products, most of them that have that problem. This don't happen with Laura Mercier, and this is what I love. Then for flawless, I will say 9 of 10. I hope you enjoyed this video and you like what you hear and what you see. For more information about that, you can see in the description down below whatever link related to these products and everything I use on this makeup. Remember, if you want to see the process of the eye look I create on this, is in our IGTV channel, and Instagram is Designed by Riveras, and you can let us comment or you can try to replicate this look, and I would love to see some of these looks creating for you. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and send all the love you can to our community. Remember, with more likes you give us, more higher we go to be in the recommendation section from YouTube. And before we go, he is back, because he wants to remember you and everybody and our community all about our giveaway. Remember, our giveaway starts for 15 days. The last week we start, and try to follow all the rules. But remember, to be ready with that, remember, start being subscribed to this channel. This will be one of the more important rules you need to follow. Please remember, tell to your friends and family to our community grow, and they can enjoy part of this giveaway. Thank you so much to be with us one more week, and I can see you what we have for the next. I hope you are being excited to be with us. My name is Luis Rivera, and see you in the next.